Hello, my name is Lynda Hayashi, and I have kidney disease. I had an acute kidney injury in 2015 due to drug interaction. And when I tell my friends and acquaintances and family members about this, they're stunned that drugs interacting with one another can actually cause physical harm that you don't even know about, you don't even feel. Drug-induced kidney injury changed my life in many ways. Whenever any one of my arthritis doctor or any of my clinician ever asks me about taking another medication, the first thing I do is contact my nephrologist and run the idea past her first before I begin to take anything else. The more people who are involved in the DIKI workshop, the better off we all are. Many perspectives are needed. Much information needs to be shared, digested, processed, and then looked at again and researched. Why we don't want to keep information to ourselves. We want to share it. And the more people who can come to the workshop, the better off we all are together.